Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb: 300 million jobs gone by 2028. This is not speculation anymore. OpenAI's latest model writes code faster than 47,000 engineers combined. McKinsey reports 44% of work tasks automatable now. Not in 10 years, now. JPMorgan deployed COIN software. It reviews commercial loans in seconds. Lawyers spent 360,000 hours yearly on that task. Automation eliminated all of it. 1 year. Your job has 3 components today: data entry, analysis, reporting. All 3 are vulnerable right now. Microsoft Copilot handles your entire workflow in minutes. Ernst and Young cut 10,000 jobs this quarter alone. They hired AI instead. White-collar workers earn $60K to $200K annually. That's $18 trillion in salary exposure. Those positions are transforming, not disappearing. But your specific role might vanish completely. This isn't a decade away anymore. Your company is testing this software today, right now, without telling you. Your paycheck depends on becoming indispensable to AI systems. Learn prompt engineering. Learn data analysis. Learn how these tools actually function. Reskill or be replaced. That's the equation. The window closes in 36 months maximum. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.